Evening there, how are you doing, ladies and gents? What we've got here is a wee PCX parked up next to my VFR 800, and I'm going to go and have a little fitting of the smaller of the two screens that I've bought for it. So watch a little video on YouTube, show me where these screws were. Nice and easy wee job, should be two screws, take the wee fairing bit off with the plastic removal, trim removal tools, pennies on eBay. Take the fairing off like that, and then there's two 10mm bolts and two 5-headed bolts that are holding in the screen onto the bodywork of the scooter there, so nice and easy. At this point in time, what I've done, legging it, looking for the trim removals, there we go. And it's just a case of taking your time, nice and gentle as you go, and making sure that you're not going to break any tabs or lose anything or ruin anything that way. When you're taking the thing off. So it's one of these ones where patience really does serve you quite well. So nice simple job as you would expect, nothing major. There the fairing off, a couple of wee clips, bit of footery to get back on, I must say, but easy enough to get off at this point in time. And we're getting the screws and the bolts out. Excuse me, just completely obliterating the view there. Nice and simple though, two 10mm bolts to go, nice and easy, crack them off, and then the screen comes off just when you've got them unscrewed and put tight. There's no pressure, there's no clipping, nothing, nice and easy. And then it's a case of lining up the new Givi screen that I've got. This one came from Blackpool Honda. It's taken out of the box this morning. Unfortunately the recycling bin's been already, so I thought it was really clever chucking the box out and fitting it in the recycling bin. So I don't have the box anymore, because at this point in time I'm screwing it back in. So I've lined up my two top bolts, got them in, and I'm just kind of finessing in the other two. And what's happened here? We have a giant crack and chip in the bottom of this screen. So it must have been dropped at some point. You can see it there, just to kind of like the bottom left at the kind of nose point of it. It must have been dropped at some point before it's got to me, or it's been dropped in transit, and it's had a bit of a wallop. The bubble rack was all intact, so I don't know what's up with that. Here's a wee close up for you here. So then it's a case of a quick message to Blackpool Honda, who I bought it from on eBay. Nice and simple. That message was sent. Let me check my email, but basically within an hour I've had a reply from them saying, right, no problem, apologies for that, we'll get another one on the way, return the busted one. So we'll scrap that for now, and we'll do the fitting of the new one again when it arrives. So just refitted the original there, nice and easy. Catch you next time for the rack. We'll install the top box rack next one. Bye.